This is the Motorola Moto G 5G 2023. Now in the box, we're getting some literature, we're getting a SIM card removal tool, and then we're also getting a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Now with this device, we're getting a 6.5-inch display. This display is IPS LCD, and it does feature a 120Hz refresh rate. We're getting a 720p panel on the display itself, and we're getting a PPI of 270. Now with this device, we're getting a 20:9 aspect ratio, so a more narrow but taller form factor, and we're getting pretty small bezels here with the phone, besides the bottom bezel, which is a bit thicker than the others, but the screen to body ratio with this device is 82.9%. Now up top here, we do have a hole punch for the front facing camera, and that front camera is 8 megapixels. Now internally here, with this device, we're getting 128 gigabytes of storage, along with micro SD card expansion. Now there's no wireless charging here with the Moto G 5G 2023, but we are getting a fingerprint sensor located on the power button, and it is very fast and responsive. So that works very accurately, and with this phone, we are getting face unlock as well. Now on the back of the device, we're getting a dual camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera for close-up images. And with this device, we are getting portrait mode for both the rear and front cameras. Here's how things look with the main rear camera. Then from here, we can go over to the macro camera and get very close up. Also, in addition to that, then we have portrait mode to get those blurred out backgrounds. And you can also take portrait selfies just like this. Now with the Moto G 5G 2023, we're getting 4 gigabytes of RAM along with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G processor. And then with this phone, we are getting video recording limited at 1080p with the front-facing camera, and then also 1080p with the rear camera. And then with the phone, we're getting a 5000 mAh internal battery along with stereo speakers. Now this phone is made completely of plastic, besides the display, which is made of glass. But on the left side of the phone, we have the slot for the micro SD card and SIM card. Then on the right side, we have volume up, volume down, and also the power button, which doubles as the fingerprint sensor. Then up top here, we have the noise canceling microphone. And then on the bottom of the device, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and we have the speaker. And then on the back of the phone, we have a matte finish with the Motorola logo, and then also the camera module with the flash. But this is the Motorola Moto G 5G 2023.